Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to be looking at Unit 6, Lesson 1, Introduction to Integers. Your objective for this lesson is that you should be able to identify integers based on key vocabulary. Let's get started. Okay, what are integers? Well, integers are the set of positive and negative whole numbers, and that includes 0. Now, I know you know what positive numbers are, although you probably have never heard them called positive numbers. Positive numbers are the numbers that you've heard from the very beginning when you learned to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on and so on, right? But there's also this fun set of negative numbers. And negative numbers are on the other side of 0, and they go the opposite way. So -1, -2, they count the same, just going in the opposite directions. So negative numbers on the left, positive numbers on the right. All right, so here are some of the key words that I want you to write into your notes. When we talk about positive numbers, a lot of times we see deposit, above sea level, gaining, increasing, scoring, earning, we made a profit. Okay, for negative numbers, a lot of the keywords that you'll hear are withdrawal, below sea level, loss, decrease, debt, we owe. All right. Okay, so let's practice. Here we have the word gain. Gain 12 pounds. Well, if we're gaining 12 pounds, we are adding on to 12, right? We have a number and we add 12, we get more. So it's positive because we're getting more. Okay. If you decrease of 7 degrees, you're losing it. So -7. Okay. How about withdrawal? Well, withdrawal is another one of those negative words. If I'm withdrawing it, I'm taking it away. Usually you see this in your bank account. When somebody withdrew some money from you. Okay. Debt. If you have a debt, you owe somebody $33. Scoring. We all like to score because we gain that 42 points. And loss of 15 yards. Oh, that means you went backwards, right? Okay. Now, it is your turn to practice. I want you to look at these words and determine the key words in here. Are they telling you a positive number or a negative number? Go ahead and pause the video, work these 6 out, and then come back and see if you got them correct. All right, for a profit of $16, you should have said positive because you're getting it. Depositing 126, you're getting 126. Above sea level, 326 above, you're getting bigger. Okay. Increase of 4 degrees, you're getting bigger, 4. Debt of $567. You owe, you're getting less. They're taking away from you. And last but not least, earn 2 hours of gain time. We know this is positive because we got it, right? Okay, let's look at a story problem and seeing it. And I want to look for keywords. A football team starts on the 17-yard line, but then gets a 5-yard penalty. At what yard line is the team now at? So we know that he started at 7 and he went backwards 5, right? Went backwards because penalty means losing it. So if I was at 17 and I take away the 5, I'm now at 12. Okay, Thomas deposited 127 in his bank. He used his debit card to spend, so he gave away $14. Write an integer to represent his new balance. So let's look at this. If I had 127 and I taking the 14 I spent away, how much do I have left? I have 113, so I should put on this line, it still have money, so it's positive 113. All right, describe two ways, world situations that could be used to represent the integer -7. So in two ways could you in real life show -7? Use some of those keywords. Go ahead and pause the video and then come back and try this and see if you got it right. All right, you should have said, or you could have said, there's not a right or wrong answer here unless you get the positive keywords. You could have said loss 7 yards, right? How about owe $7? See. How about withdrew $7? Those are just some keys. If you got something else, that's great. Let's move on. Oh, that's the end of the lesson. All right. So go ahead and go back to Classcraft and continue on your pathway, and I will see you back here for Unit 6, Lesson 2. Bye.